Have you ever seen a bird take a dirt bath? Seems a little counterproductive, doesn't it? But birds have a lot of behaviors that humans find puzzling, but there's always a good reason behind it. Well, firstly, not all birds take dirt baths. They're very common among sparrow species, as well as bluebirds, robins, and wrens. Chickens also. But the majority of the time you see these dirt bath videos and pictures, they're of sparrow species. Birds have an oil gland, and when they preen, they distribute their oils throughout their plumage. It's what helps keep their feathers pliable, weatherproof, and always ready for flight. But after time, this oil can build up and make their feathers greasy and matted, but when they take dirt baths, the sand particles bind to the excess oil. Then they'll flap around and fluff out their feathers and shake off the excess and clean themselves with their ritualized movements. The dust absorbing excess oil and moisture can help to remove parasites like lice and mites. That might be why you're seeing this other bird right here, like looking through the sand, maybe to find a little critter. All feathers are just so beautiful, marvelous, and intricate, so keeping them functional requires constant care. Well, thank you so much for watching, and in conclusion, I guess we can say that a dust bath or a dirt bath for birds is just as beneficial as one taken in water. We'll catch you on the next one.